What we really liked about Ford is they were able to take our needs and customize it to a solution up to transitioning from an analog to a full digital system. My name is Andrew Alamon. I'm the Deputy Emergency Management Coordinator for the City of Pasadena. My everyday operation consists of making sure that our emergency management coordinator and our staff, as well as city officials, are aware of any things that the city is dealing with as far as any weather concerns, other civil issues that we're dealing with. I also maintain the technology aspects of our department to make sure they're up to our operating standards. It's important that we get all of the information filtered into this room, the Emergency Operations Center. That way we can give valid situational awareness information to our staff, our city officials, and also our public safety individuals that are working in incident. We work really heavily with Ford because they're familiar with our current setup and they are familiar with the past upgrades that they have done in our facility. What we were looking for was a full-on video wall that was also dynamic, and Ford took what we wanted and turned it into Ford's design of a 30-panel video wall that is approximately 40 feet wide and also 9 feet tall. With this project, we have greatly increased our situational awareness, and we've actually increased our future proof to the point that this system will be able to satisfy our needs for the next coming years. What we really liked about Ford is they were able to take our needs and customize it to a solution up to transitioning from an analog to a full digital system.